You've tried everything, but that stubborn belly fat just won't go away, right? You're killing yourself at the gym, watching every single calorie, but that spare tire just won't budge. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not your fault. There's so much confusing and conflicting information out there. It's easy to get off track. I'm going to reveal the hidden formula that fitness gurus don't talk about. These are surprising science-backed tricks that actually work. We're going to dive deep into the science behind belly fat and bust those myths that are holding you back. If you're ready to finally say goodbye to belly fat and get lasting results, stick around. This could be the breakthrough you've been searching for. You ready to do this? Let's go. First things first, you gotta be hydrating like a boss. And I don't mean sipping on sugary drinks all day. I'm talking about pure, clean water. Water boosts your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. It also flushes out toxins and reduces bloating. So ditch the sugary drinks and make water your new best friend. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip throughout the day. Trust me, your body will thank you. Let me guess. You're burning the candle at both ends, pushing yourself to the limit and sacrificing sleep, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that sleep is absolutely crucial when it comes to banishing belly fat. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can actually increase belly fat storage. Not only that, but lack of sleep messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugary, fatty foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every single night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. And ditch the electronics at least an hour before bed. Think of sleep as a non-negotiable part of your fitness routine. It's just as important as your workouts and nutrition. You gotta rest and recover so you can bring your A game every day. Chapter 3. The power of protein fuel your muscles, burn fat. To build lean muscle and torch calories, make protein your best friend. Protein helps you feel full and satisfied, preventing overeating. Protein requires more energy to digest, burning more calories. It's a secret weapon against belly fat. Include protein with every meal and snack. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Building muscle boosts metabolism and burns fat at rest. Chapter 4. Sugar, the silent saboteur of your weight loss goals. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, sugar. It's lurking everywhere in our food supply, and it's one of the biggest culprits behind stubborn belly fat. When you eat sugar, your body releases insulin. Too much sugar leads to fat storage, especially around your midsection. It's time to kick the sugar habit to the curb. Avoid added sugars like high fructose corn syrup. Stick to natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables. Break up with sugar for good, and your waistline will thank you. Chapter 5. Height It Hard, the ultimate fat-blasting workout. If you're stuck in a cardio rut, it's time to crank things up a notch with HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. HIIT workouts are the ultimate fat-burning weapon because they combine short bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods. This type of training sends your metabolism into overdrive, burning calories long after your workout is finished. Plus, HIIT workouts are super time efficient, so you can get amazing results in less time. Try incorporating HIIT workouts into your routine 2 to 3 times per week. You can do bodyweight exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers, or use equipment like kettlebells, dumbbells, and resistance bands. Remember to listen to your body and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. HIIT is all about pushing your limits and challenging yourself, but always prioritize proper form and technique. You have the power to transform your body and your life. It's not going to be easy, but trust me, it will be worth it. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with these tips, and I promise you'll start to see amazing results. Don't let anyone tell you it can't be done. You are strong, you are capable, and you are worth it. Now get out there and make it happen. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, and motivation to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. You got this!